Hey you guys, welcome to Chopbusters. Today we'll show you some cool metalworking tools that will surely blow your mind. But before starting, we have a request. If you're new to our channel, then please subscribe. Please press the red subscribe button and also press the bell icon so you can get notifications from our upcoming videos. Let's begin. Hilti has expanded its SPX lineup for circular blades with 3 new blades, including a versatile new metal cutting diamond blade. With 100 times the life of standard abrasive discs, Hilti says the new SPX metal cutting diamond blade can cut through multiple types of materials, reducing the need to change discs frequently. Hilti showed the SPX metal cutting diamond blade cutting through a gauntlet of materials with ease. The setup included steel, wood and PVC. Hilti says the diameter of the SPX metal cutting blade does not decrease over time, maintaining a consistent cutting depth through the life of the blade. The blade is made of high-grade diamond grids, electroplated and exposed along the cutting edge to maintain its edge and cutting capability. The framing blades feature high-density carbide teeth, a low-friction coating and reduced vibration. Equipped with these blades, Hilti says its cordless circular saws deliver up to 40% more cuts per battery charge. The new crack chaser blade is designed to facilitate the quick repair of cracks and/or imperfections on a wide range of concrete surfaces. The blade is designed with a V-shaped segment and diamond embedded wedges for effective regulking or refilling concrete cracks. At number 7. Bailey Industrial MPS1 Throatless Shear. The throatless shear from Bailey Industrial is quickly becoming the go-to machine for anyone that has to shape and cut sheet metal. The unique design on the blades allows the operator to cut just about any shape they need. The best part is that this little mighty mite only weighs 16 pounds, but is strong enough to cut 14 gauge mild steel easily. The throatless design of the shear makes it easy to cut large panels as well as the operator cuts the material. The design of the cast base guides the material away from the blade, allowing the operator to keep cutting without having to trim, saving a lot of production time. At number 6. Maghold V-Pads. Maghold V-Pad Kits product line. The magnetic V-Pads are low profile and ideal for tight space, light duty holding and positioning of steel stock in horizontal or vertical positions. The magnetic V-Pad faces pivot to hold onto round, square, flat or angled steel stock and odd shaped parts. Choose magnetic V-Pads in sizes ranging from 2.2 inch long to 4.8 inch long. The Maghold V-Pads can be set up, adjusted and removed quickly, are easy to store and provide work-holding solutions in tight spots where larger clamps cannot be used. Frequently referred to as welding fingers, Maghold V-Pads are the better alternative to holding small parts with your fingers for proper alignment and positioning in a safe, efficient and accurate fit-up for track welding. The adjustable magnetic V-Pads from Strong Hand Tools is a time-saving magnetic tool for use in the shop and in the field. Comes with 2 regular V-Pads and 2 large V-Pads, max pull force 18 lbs. The carbide hole cutters are carbide tipped to offer improved performance and increased tool life in tough to cut materials such as stainless steel. These cutters easily cut through the stock rather than ripping, tearing and pushing through as do typical hole saws, dramatically outlast bimetal hole saws and step drills. The carbide hole cutters are for producing holes from 11/16 inch up to 3 inch diameter in sheet metal, rubber gasket or fiber materials, and some plastics up to 1/8 inch thick. Ideal for aftermarket installations, custom fabrication, gauge installation and modification of trailers. Hole cutters are not hole saws, they are precision crowned heat-treated tools made from M2 HSS that easily cut through the stock rather than ripping, tearing and pushing through as do typical hole saws. They can produce holes 3 times faster and cleaner than hole saws in sheet metal and have a dramatically extended tool life. Hole cutters have a patented quad-lead thread system, making cutter changes quicker than ever before. The arbor fits all sizes of cutters and requires 3/8 inch and larger drill chucks. Rotabroach annular tools but clean burr-free round holes fast, unlike twist drills that push or hole saws that tear through metals because they're hollow. They cut around the edge of the hole, so less work is required and no deforming of metal or jagged edges occur. Multiple cutting teeth are precision ground instead of stamped like hole saws, giving long tool life. Rotabroach cutters are for precision hole making in sheet metal and frame materials. These are the same tools as those used by OEMs on assembly lines for access holes and accessory equipment installations. For body shops and frame straighteners, custom building and detailing, aftermarket installations, rust proofers and undercoaters. Wherever fast, rugged and superior quality holes are required, Rotabroach cutters are the single answer. Patented tooth geometry also prevents chip clogging when cutting steel, sheet metal or plastics. It's a jungle out there. Be ready to handle any build, repair or assembly job with the new Rhino Cart mobile fixturing station. Quickly clamp and fixture at any point on the surface, store your tools and charge right through your projects. The 48x30 inch Rhino Cart mobile fixturing station is unlike any welding table on the market. This revolutionary design takes the popular Build Pro welding tabletop with its precision finish and unique modular fixturing design, and combines it with a handy mobile cart. The nitride treated steel top features a black oxide finish and is reversible if one side is eventually damaged. The Rhino Cart mobile fixturing station is a turnkey system for fixturing and clamping in welding and fabrication. Clamp and fixture at any point on the reversible, flat, nitrated, heat-treated 1200x750mm tabletop for accuracy in all of your setups. The Rhino Cart mobile fixturing station is a turnkey system for fixturing and clamping in welding and fabrication. Accurately fit up and hold workpieces for tacking and welding with the Rhino Cart package, including the Rhino Cart welding table, plus 66-piece fixturing kit, Rhino package part number TDQ612075-K1. 16mm fixed steel plate reversible tabletop with nitrated black oxide protective finish to 16mm fixed steel plate reversible tabletop with nitrated black oxide protective finish for wear, rust and weld spatter resistance. Accurately positioned parts in CNC precision bored 16mm diameter holes in 50x50mm spacing pattern. Accurately positioned parts in CNC precision bore 16mm diameter holes in 50x50mm spacing pattern. The package comes complete with a 66-piece fixturing kit, and the cart features heavy-duty casters as well as leveling feet for more permanent placement. The 36-inch tall cart features plenty of storage to keep necessary fabrication tools readily at hand. Bailey Industrial Sheet Metal Equipment has always offered great value in its line of machinery, and the PR514 plate forming machine is no exception. The PR514 is the perfect plate roll for small and medium rolling applications. This plate forming machine has a useful width of 5 inch and has capacity of 14 gauge mild steel sheet metal. The PR514 has a 2 HP 220 volts single phase motor that transfers power directly to the driven rolls. A second hydraulic motor controls the movement of the back roll. The operator controls all movements on the PR514 via a remote pedestal. This control pedestal has a foot pedal controls and houses the buttons for advancing or retracting the back roll position. Back roll position can be monitored on a digital readout that is positioned at the head of the machine, so no matter where you are operating the PR514, the operator has a good line of sight to it. Belay Metal Bench Press is the perfect addition to any fabrication shop. This 110 volts 10-ton hydraulic machine can be fitted as a lower press brake and radius and corner notcher. Other options like hole punching, flaring and sharing are available. Heavy steel plate construction that is electro-welded together reduces flexing of the frame when working at maximum capacity. A deep throw depth of 25 inches by 6 inches allows for many applications to be worked on. This hydraulic press brake has up to 4 inches stroke and includes as standard the slug ejector. This is the perfect metal bench press for any metal fabrication shop. If you're looking for quality, power and a company that backs their tools, Hilti is it. That's why when we had a chance to try out the SCM18V cordless metal saw, I had to jump at it. Now, I am not saying I do much cutting with my daily work, but when you need to cut metal, I can say there is no better way. The new Hilti SCM18A cordless metal cutting circular saw boasts fast, smooth cuts for most metal cutting applications. Designed with cold cutting technology, the SCM18A is built to withstand the toughest job site conditions, says Hilti, adding that the tool and blade combination cuts everyday materials like strut, threaded rod and rebar while taking on demanding applications like back-to-back strut or fixed steel with ease. The blade has tungsten carbide and titanium carbide tips brazed to the teeth. So these were some metalworking tools, hope you like them. If you do, please like the video. See you in the next episode. Till then, take care.